After this girl attempted a wolf cut at home, she came across the craziest result.
I have my hairstylist on speed dial just in case this goes horribly wrong. We're gonna start about here. Oh my gosh. What have I done? Okay. Oh my gosh. I can already tell the layers. That might be really choppy. It's hair. It's gonna grow back. If I cry while it grows back. Bang cutting, here we go. There was a lot more cutting for my bangs that happened, but so far I'm loving that. And then I think it's a success. That's what I was looking for.
But do you love this?